Hey everyone, this is Alp Akdeniz here, Head of Technical Solutions at FP Automation. We partner with finance and operations executives to transform their strategic planning capabilities using tools they already own in the Microsoft ecosystem. As a finance or operations leader, you are facing increasing pressure to deliver more accurate revenue forecasts while reducing planning cycles. Your teams waste valuable time reconciling data between systems. Strategic pricing decisions lack immediate visibility into P&L impact, and when market conditions change, updating forecasts becomes a weeks-long exercise instead of a real-time adjustment. But what if your executive team could evaluate multiple revenue scenarios, instantly see margin implications of pricing decisions, consolidate forecasts across business units, all within your existing Power BI environment? At FP Automation, we are designing solutions using the analytics of Power BI, powered by the write-back capability and planning of Acterys, and bringing your data from various different systems into the cloud, enabling you to have the strategic capability at your fingertips. Let me demonstrate for you how our solution delivers the strategic planning agility and financial visibility that today's competitive environment demands. What you can see right here is a revenue planning model that is driver-based. What we have the ability to do is not only review the analytics within Power BI, but also make changes as well as decisions in real time, seeing the immediate impact. From here, we can go ahead and as we learn new information that we have an increase coming in terms of the quantity shipped, we can save our results and immediately see the financial impact from a revenue and gross margin standpoint of our changes, utilizing the power of Acterys' planning solution capability. Not only do we have the capability to be able to edit values within the matrix visual, but we can also visual plan. If we know that our entire quantity adjustments are going to be coming down, we can go ahead and make those adjustments immediately by going ahead and changing them or right-clicking to enter value right from within here in the ecosystem. Saving our results, we can immediately see the financial impact in a more visual planning way rather than using the matrix. We can switch between actuals and forecast comparison to be able to see rolling forecasts and how we're doing actually compared to our forecasts. We also have the best benefits of Excel, using the Smart Excel visual capability of Acterys, where we can use Excel's flexibility to be able to write back values directly within the Power BI system. We also have the capability to be able to enter comments. So if we wanted to be able to enter comments directly within the model right here, we can immediately do so. Not only being able to impact our values and change KPIs, but also explain the reasons behind why we're making these changes. Using table edit visual capabilities right here, we can make comments and edit comments directly within the system. Switching back to our main view right here, we also have the ability to make pricing. If we wanted to instead be able to show adjusted pricing impacts and cost impacts, we could do that directly from the model. So if our executives are making decisions around being able to make changes around pricing costs, we can immediately do so and see the financial impact. Changing our pricing here, we're able to see the adjusted pricing for our various products that we're changing and how they affect our revenue. This is not only something that we are doing, but also our team can concurrently be doing, giving us a true unified consolidation process where everybody is working off of the same ecosystem. When it comes to tracking our budgets, admins and managers have the capability now to be able to see where exactly budgets are in the planning process and status perspective. So you no longer have to guess when your planning process is going to be completed. Between the analytics capability of Power BI and the agility Acterys provides with planning and status tracking, we can immediately showcase all the various different impacts of our values for our teams as well as the executives to be able to make decisions. This is just some of the capabilities that are possible with the Microsoft ecosystem. We'd love to talk to you more about this, and we'd love to hear about your strategy and where you're looking to go to. Thank you, and this is Alp Akdeniz with the FP&A Automation team signing out.